Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Joe in New York on the Stryker SR-955HPC. Joe, got ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, ERF 2030 plus upgrade, as well as the upgraded electrolytic capacitors on the audio buffer and on the DC buffer. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50-watt slug. Joe, we got it set at 2 watts, so if you decide to run like a 4-pill or something, you get full adjustability. 20 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Oh, 50 watt in the corner. Let's go to 250 on the average scale. Hello. 70 watts bird average. Peak power. Hello. And 120 peak. Alright, Joe, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.